Okay, we're going to start by generating a sequence. We're going to start with the number 1, and then the next number is number 1, and then there's a pattern. We're going to add these two numbers to make the next number. Okay, then we're going to do the same again. So we get 2 plus 1, that gives me 3. And the same again, 3 plus 2, this gives me 5. And then 3 plus 5 is going to give me 8. And 8 plus 5 is going to give me 13, and this goes on and on and on. Okay, this is a very famous sequence. It is called the Fibonacci Sequence. And we're going to use this to create a piece of mathematically inspired art. We're going to be using a sequence of numbers to form some squares. You're going to need square paper is best, or plain paper if you're good. Don't make the squares too heavy because you're going to want to rub them out when you do your finished piece. So we start with a 1 square, and then we put another 1 above it because we've got 1 and 1. Next is 2. So we're going to come anti-clockwise. So we have a 2 by 2 square. The next number is 3. So we're going to come down below and do a 3 by 3 square. And you can see what's happening. We're now going to do a 5 by 5 square, all based on squares, and then we're going to run out of space. Okay, so the next thing is you can use a compass, or you can try this freehand, but what you need to do is, starting in this corner here, is draw a curve. So if you're using a compass, you put the point there, and you draw a curve there with your pencil, and then we draw another one here, so you can see that it's falling round, and follow this round here. And then we're going to go around this one here. So your compass may need to get quite big. I'm just going to turn that so I can turn my curve nicely. And then this nice big one here. You may also get to a point where your compass isn't big enough, so you have to go freestyle. And that gives you a nice spiral, and you'll be able to use this for your piece of mathematical art.